Okay, so welcome back. Now, before I go over these, I just want to let you know that it can be confusing working with radians for the first time, especially if you get something like this. If you get sine of theta equals 1 or sine 1, right? And sine 1, let's see here. Yeah. So when you look at these, sometimes students get confused. Okay, so you've got to remember this is the sine of an angle measure of 1, where this is the sine of some angle that is equal to 1. And so one of the things to remember is 1 radian, right? 1 radian, this is radian. So remember, 1 radian is equal to approximately 57.3 degrees. Okay? So you're going to want to remember that, okay, and that's what this is. So sine of 1 is basically the same as sine of 57.30 degrees, okay? And then the sine of what angle equals 1, well, that's going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so again, make sure you know those relationships, okay? It'll make things easier. So for example, in part A, the sine of pi over 3, right, is equal to, well, the sine of 60 degrees. Right? So the sine of pi over 3, which is the same as the sine of pi over the sine of pi over 3 is the same as sine of 60 degrees, which we know the sine of 60 degrees is going to be the square root of 3 over 2. Okay? And then, of course, sine of theta equals 0.5, okay? Where sine theta equals 60 degrees, which is equal to pi over 3, which is the smallest positive theta. Okay? And then in part C, what we're saying is you can show that sine of 2 radians is the same as, or excuse me, not the sine, tangent. Keep mispronouncing. The tangent of 2 radians is equal to the tangent of 114.6 degrees, because all you have to do is, again, use your conversion factor with the conversion ratio, the conversion factor going from radians to degrees. Right? Oops, gosh darn it. Okay, so what else? Okay, so yeah, so this is, we can show that these are the same, right? Also, tangent theta equal to 2 will give us a theta of 1.107 radians. Again, this is going to be the smallest positive theta. So these are just other illustrations of this relationship between radians and degrees. Okay? So again, the more you work with this, the more familiar you're going to become, and the easier this will be to remember. Okay? Have a great day.